How to fix error code BLZBNTBGS8000001C on battle.net. 1. Check the server status. 2. Clear the battle.net cache at Blizzard Entertainment folder in %program data %. 3. Flush the DNS cache. Run these commands as admin: IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / flush IP protocol configuration / renew fork. Switch your default DNS to Google DNS. 5. Remove and reinstall battle.net app.